Today in this video, we will show you how to set up and use the Callovo 2-number display call system. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. You'll find 1 receiver unit, call buttons, quantity depends on your package, batteries and lanyards for the call buttons, a USB power cord with AC adapter, a wall mount with adhesives or screws, and an easy-to-follow user manual. Before starting, open the rear battery cover of the receiver and install the provided battery to enable time clock memory. Connect the receiver to power using the AC adapter USB cable. You can plug it into a power outlet or use your own power bank. First, turn the receiver to its side and press the volume button to adjust to your desired volume level. The language button, it allows you to scroll through 7 voice alert languages and 3 chime options. The call review button, press this button to review the latest 6 calls. The clear button, press the clear button to erase all call memory from the receiver. Alternatively, you can purchase a wireless clear call button to remotely clear calls with a simple touch. The replace and record buttons, which allow you to add or replace call buttons and reset the system. Please refer to other videos for detailed instructions. The time button, press it to toggle the time display on the screen. For setting the time, please refer to the time clock settings video for detailed instructions. Attach the call buttons in the appropriate locations for your setting. Press each call button to ensure they are working correctly. Callovo. Simple, but more than just simple.